Hi guys! We're gonna make an amazing so easy Moroccan brioche. This is delicious and it's beyond quick and beyond simple. So let's get started. For the ingredients, we will need 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, half cup of oil, large spoon of yeast, 5 gram of baking powder, 250 milliliter of milk, 1 orange.
In a bowl, we mix the 2 eggs, sugar, warm milk, and yeast.
Now we will add 120 milliliter of oil, which is equivalent to the half of the cup used. Now we will add the sliced orange peel in order to add this beautiful orange taste. We add the flour and the baking powder. We mix all while adding the flour until a homogeneous fresh dough is formed. You will need nearly 500 grams of flour. We cover our dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. As you can see, the dough is inflated. We make dough balls using some oil. And finally, we put them in a tray on a parchment paper so that the balls do not stick on the tray. We will leave them for 45 minutes until they inflate. We brush very carefully the pieces with a grated egg without deforming the balls. Now what we're gonna do is to powder some by sesame and the others by sugar. The oven must be already heated. We let our brioche cook in the oven till both sides are reddish. And here's our baked brioche. So here you go guys, a beautiful, so easy Moroccan brioche made at home. Until next time guys, take care.